Hi everyone, welcome to my channel again. So in today's video I'll be showing you how you can actually create playlists for your YouTube channel. So playlist is very important, especially when you want to categorize some of the videos you are making, some of your content, so that your viewers will be able to access them easily. So I'm heading to Chrome browser now. So you type in your YouTube studio. While you're waiting for your YouTube studio, you will see continue to studio or app. So you click on continue to studio, because even if you have the app on your phone already, you'll not be able to do this. So best thing is to go to your browser, type in your YouTube studio. When you type in the YouTube studio, you wait for it to load so as to get access to your dashboard. So you can do this from your dashboard. So we wait for it to load. It will soon be open. Come on. Okay, now we are here. It is open. What next? I'll be zooming in so you'll be able to see what I'm about to do. Actually, the playlist is on the left hand side. You'll be seeing an indicator that will show you the exact playlist. So I'm zooming in now so you'll be able to see what to click. The playlist icon is on the left side. Yeah, that's it. That's it. The button you're going to click. So you click on that. Yeah, so that's the playlist. So you have to create a playlist. I already have some playlists here, so that's why you can see this. So for you that don't have, that means you need to create a new playlist. And for you to do that, you have to scroll up at the top right hand corner. You'll be able to see new playlist. So when you click on new playlist, it will open. So you'll be able to put in your new playlist there. So that's it, new playlist. So you tap on it. So you have the title of your playlist. Let's assume this is relationship talk. So relationship talk, you can make it public, private, and listed. So I want it to be public. So let's leave it at that. So you click on create. So when you click on create, you've automatically created a new playlist. So you can see our playlist here, relationship talk. So how do you add your videos? I'll be doing it. We can check for a video on that. On my channel, I created how you can add your video to your new created playlist. So when you do that, you'll be able to add your videos there. So thank you for watching. I hope you got value.